How to fix the Japanese game Heavens Burns Red is crashing on Steam. So first you will need to go to your library, right click on the game, open up the properties window, and then in launch options box you want to type -dx11, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files, and wait for it to finish checking. Now once this is done, you can close out of this window and then open up your GPU application where you can download updates. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need NVIDIA app installed, which is this one. And then go to the drivers tab. From here, select Game Ready Driver. Check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest available update. If you see reinstall button here, it means that you have the latest one. So you can skip this part and go to a new browser tab, search for redist for redistributables, click on the first link, and then from the second table here you should download the 86 and the 64-bit versions and install both of them. And once you finish installing these, it will ask you to restart your computer, and after the restart you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click and run as admin, and then you can open up your game again, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.